Okay, so this Lakewood is done, I guess. It's been cleaned up, repainted. It's looking okay now. Yes, these are the original grills. Something happened to the back grill when we were taking it apart because the plastic's delicate. You can see it is quite broken. I'll show you the side. Ugh. I'm standing up because it's so heavy. It's heavy. Oh, yeah. Oh, and on this badge it says that word right there is supposed to say free speed. Lakewood. How I'm eating well and off. Ah, there you guys. That's the other side. I'm just struggling holding this with one hand. And here's the back. This is what happened to the back grill. See? That fell apart, so it's all like, yeah. This screw is there for no reason. I don't know why my dad put that in. That one, that one, that one. That one and that one are holding though. Yeah. Oh, and this broken slot here did not come with the fan. My dad the plug was in here, so he snipped it. So he just snipped that slot so it can, well, it is cracked, but the whole like thing isn't off. Okay. I think it's time to demonstrate this heavy fan now. It's so heavy. Yep, we repeated it. Okay, here you go. How about we start with high? We did not oil this fan because I thought we had 3-in-1 oil, but we didn't. But it does actually, I don't know why. Has it been oiled? But the spin down is longer now. The spin down is about the same amount. So let's go high. Definitely is vintage. I think it's a P223 or a K223. I don't know. K223 or a P223. It's a K223 or a P223. I don't know if you heard me. Okay, let's turn it to medium. That's rattling. It's still going pretty fast. See the low. Oh, this is dropping down. It definitely blows a lot more air. Especially in the slots where the grills are broken, it blows air. Okay, let's go back to high. And I'll turn it off. Maybe it is actually longer, even though I didn't oil it. There you go. I know this is vintage because of the blade and the McMillan motor. I don't know. It could be a third generation. I'm pretty sure it's not. It's probably like a first or a second. It definitely is old. How about I tell you the startup sound? I think this does have a startup sound. Here you go. Oh, let me turn this dehumidifier off. Dehumidifier. I turned it off. Now we can hear the startup sound. Here you go. See if medium has a startup sound. Let's just wait until it stops. see medium. Not that much. Off again. Well, probably doesn't have a step sound, but I'll just do it. You never know. This is all floppy right here. See? Okay, here you go. Kinda. How's everything with startup sound speed? Okay. I would say it's a good working fan. So well, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.